Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 9th. I am Hamadur Rahman from Boys Senior Wing Model Town DPS Lahore. It's our fourth lecture of class 9th biology. In our today lecture, we will discuss about careers in biology. First career in biology is medicine and surgery. First of all, medicine. Medicine is a profession which deals with the diagnosis and treatment of diseases in human beings. While in the surgery, the parts of a body may be repaired, replaced, or removed. For example, removal of stones through renal surgery, transplantation of kidney, liver, etc. are the example of surgery. Both these professions are studied in the same basic course, which is MBBS, and then students go for the specialization. Second career in biology is fisheries. Fisheries is the professional study of fish production. Fish production include catching, processing, or selling of fish and other aquatic animals. It is the most important economic activity in coastal areas of Pakistan. Coastal areas means Sahli Ilake. Fisheries provides job to about 1% of country labor force. Fisheries sector also play a significant role in our national economy, approximately 1% of our GDP. This profession requires degree of master's or bachelor in zoology. Third career in biology is agriculture. Agriculture is the profession which deal with the food crops and animal which are the source of food. An agriculturist works for the betterment of crops like wheat, rice, corn, etc. and animals like buffaloes, cows, etc. from which we get food. Agriculturists or the people who take up agriculture as an occupation have so much knowledge about various aspects including soil fertility, seasonal crops, rainfall expectation, pesticide. Pesticides are the medicines which kill pests, crops, rotation technique, farming equipment and etc. This profession requires degree of bachelor in biology with higher education of agriculture. Fourth career in biology is animal husbandry. Basically, it is a branch of agriculture concerned with care and breeding of domestic animals which are known as livestock. For example, cattle and sheep, etc. Professionals of this field includes livestock specialists, dairy specialists and farmers. The profession requires the degree of bachelor in biology with higher education of animal husbandry. Fifth career in biology is horticulture. Horticulture is the art of gardening. A horticulturist works for the betterment of existing varieties and the production of new varieties of ornamental plants and fruit plants. Biology students can adopt this profession after their higher secondary education. Sixth career in biology is farming. Farming deals with the development and maintenance of different types of farms. For example, in some farm, animal breeding technologies are used for the production of animals which are better protein and milk source. In poultry farm, chicken and eggs are produced. Similarly, in fruit farms, different fruit yielding plants are grown. A student who has gone through the professional course of agriculture, animal husbandry or fisheries, etc. can adopt this profession. Seventh career in biology is forestry. In forestry, professionals look after natural forest and advise to the government for planting and growing artificial forest. A forester is a person who practices forestry, the science, art and profession of managing forest. This profession requires higher degree and education in biology with further specialization of zoology and botany. Eighth career in biology is biotechnology. Biotechnology is a combination of science of biology and technology. It is the latest profession in the field of biology. Biotechnologists use the biological systems in microorganisms to make products useful for the mankind. This profession requires high degree and education in biology with further specialization of zoology.